Hi everyone, today we're making this beautiful wood art of this polar bear. It's a high profit project that you can make and sell too. If you're looking to make some extra money on nights and weekends or to boost your retirement, this video is for you. I've seen so many big YouTubers talk about wood art as such a phenomenal way to make money woodworking, and I couldn't agree more. It's low cost. It is so versatile. You can put your personality into it. You could make it really any topic, and it sells very well at a really high profit margin. Most of the pieces we make are made of scrap, and we always frame our pieces using Chris's 2x4 frame method, where you basically can make a frame for one of these pieces for somewhere around $1. We have a separate video for that. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it in the description below. So as always, I begin by printing out 2 copies of our pattern, and they are available in our Etsy shop. The link's in the description below if you're interested. And so I print out 2 copies. I glue one down to use as my my cutting template and the other as a legend. Once I've glued it down, I just use a glue stick, and then once it's dry, you can just peel it off. And then I go to the scroll saw and I start cutting it out. This particular one, I'm just cutting out of one solid piece of wood, but generally I use little bits of scrap. You can use whatever works for you. Once it's cut out, you're going to sand it. And now when I sand my pieces here, I want to take off the rough edge and I want to smooth it out and make it look clean and crisp, but I'm very mindful not to change the shape of it. It's easy to change the shape of something with sanding, so just bear that in mind. And so after I've sanded it, I'm going to do a whitewash on this wood. Where it is a polar bear, I want it to have that white hue to it, but I still want the green to come through. So basically I just water down some acrylic paint. And here I'm just going to show you, this is just with a thin coat of the white paint, and you just put it on and wipe it back. You can see it gives a really subtle effect. Now I'm going to take a bit more heavy paint, so not quite as much water in this mix. And you'll see I'm going to do a couple different tests just to show you the difference of adding a bit more white paint or a bit more water, the difference you can get. You can get something that is much more opaque or something that is a really subtle wash. So if this is the kind of thing that you like, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing. We've got lots of different wood art videos on our channel, so go check those out. And we also have a website. It's called ideas2ididit.com. And over there, you're going to find some more in-depth information regarding our techniques and the way that we like to approach woodwork. And as well, if you sign up for our newsletter, you will get a free wood art project. So go over there, sign up for the newsletter, and get your free project plan, your pattern, and you can give it a try and see if it's something that you like. And if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I like to do this. So once my wood art is stained or painted and glued but down to the surface, I like to go in with a bit of watered down paint and really add to the dimension of the piece. So you'll see here I use the paint to increase some of the cuts and really add to that dimension, but I also use it to really do some shadow work on the piece to really help enhance that depth and dimension. And I did do a full in-depth tutorial on how to do this technique in real time, and it is on our channel. So if you'd like to really learn how to do this technique step by step, feel free to go take a look at that video. I'll leave it in the description below. And when it comes to doing any artwork, in my opinion, anything goes really. Whatever you want to try or show, or what technique you want to use, is a great way just to express yourself. So I'll show you how I like to do a piece like this, but please feel free to take these ideas and these concepts and make them your own. You could change it up. You could change the color of this. You're going to see in next week or the following week, I'm going to post another video where I use the same basic shape of a bear, but I do it completely differently. It's going to be a brown bear, and I use some sanding carving techniques to really give it some different shape, and then it's painted as opposed to letting the green show through. So I really want to show you how versatile some of these things can be, and to kind of get you thinking of how you can make something and truly make it your own. With this wood art, it's a great way to express yourself, and we can't thank you enough for watching these videos. We really appreciate all your support. Have a wonderful day.